Welcome to my mom's lab.
What is this? This is a chameleon. Today, we are going to draw a chameleon. Let's get started. First, draw a stretched out and slightly tilted number 6. Continue the curve to complete the chameleon's tail. From the top point of the 6, draw a vertical line. Now draw the baseline. Draw a half circle to make the face. Add the eyes and eyebrows. Draw a small line just below the eyes. What is it for? It is for the mouth. Now add the front leg. And add the back leg. Give some volume to the base. Add small spikes along the chameleon's back. Draw a few more lines to give the body some detail. Now let's color our chameleon. Hooray! Our chameleon is ready! But wait, our chameleon looks sad. Why are you sad? Come on, chameleon, please smile. Yay! Look at that happy smile! Like and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends.